I'm Nadeem from Smart Riding. I'm touring around Europe at the moment and I'm using the INNOVV N3 for BMW today. This is the 6-inch display, only launched about 6-7 weeks back, and INNOVV do make some quality products. So we do have a promo code with INNOVV and it's simply SRG, which stands for Smart Riding Gadgets. You just enter that at checkout and it'll give you 10% off, whether you're buying the cameras or whether you're buying one of the displays. So that's there for you as well. I've also used in there INNOVV K7 cameras here, by the way, which I'll do a separate review on these at some point, but they are very, very good. I mean, these are just plug and play and just forget about it. They're brilliant cameras. They're 2K Sony cams. But today I'm kind of concentrating on the N3 for BMW. I wasn't a fan of the N2. I didn't like the N2 at all. This is a replacement for the N2, and they have addressed quite a lot of the issues that the N2 had. First of all, the biggest thing is the brightness levels. It's now 1200 nits. The N2 was only 800, and I just didn't think that was enough, particularly like on days like this where it's really sunny and stuff. You know, it wasn't very good. But happily, the N3 doesn't have that problem at all. That just works. And you have Wonder Wheel control with this as well. So you can see I can go through here on the menu. I've actually got Kalimoto running a route just now. So you can actually click and do things to the route as you're moving with it as well. So that you can actually pause the route, continue it. So there's a whole load of things. I don't want to end the ride, obviously. Generally I keep it in this split view when I'm riding, so you've got the map on one side and music and stuff on the other side. So it means I can just go like this and I can forward tracks and do whatever I want. Or I can just go straight into all the apps and go through everything I've got. So you can use all the usual stuff. As long as there's a CarPlay or an Android Auto app, you can use it. I've got Detect, Curvigar, Google Maps, Apple Maps, Waze, Revere. So I've got quite a few of them installed. I tend to stick with Kalimoto though, but they're all here. Let's open Google Maps up. So there's Google Maps. Let's go back to the split view. You can just control all of this from the Wonder Wheel. I used the INNOVV N3 yesterday for about 8 hours and I didn't have any problems with it at all. So that's good. Temperature wise, it was up to about 28 degrees. I mean, I'm up in the mountains here, so it's not that hot. But 28 degrees is enough to kind of test the unit, I think. So it seemed okay. If I just select home here, and then twist the wheel, that opens the data display. So yeah, this is the data display. You got speed, RPM, etc. It also displays how many litres you've got left, which is the only display I've seen that actually does that. It's shown 10 litres, and that's probably about right actually, because my TFT display is shown half a tank, but usually when it's shown half a tank it's less than that. So you have that as well. So you've got all the data display there with the tire pressure monitors, voltage of the battery, etc. And it's got a lean angle sensor there as well, so you've got that too on this. To get back to CarPlay Android Auto, you just select that one, twist the wheel, and you're back. I'll just go through all the apps like this. Let's open up Kalimoto again. There we go. Overall, the N3 for BMW is a decent enough display. If you're looking for something for your Beamer, then this is pretty good. If you have any questions, just add them in the comments below, or come say hello in the group, which is Smart Riding Gadgets on Facebook. And just to remind you, we do have the promo code which gives you 10% off, which is SRG at checkout. Cheers!